As a young boy, experts diagnosed me on the autism spectrum, but I never let that stop me because I used two words that would remain a part of my life. Those two words were, watch me. I'm a professional chef. I also run 2 culinary arts programs as a fully credentialed teacher. And I'm an internationally recognized cookbook author and mentor. So join me on this journey as we meet some really interesting people, cook some amazing food, and I prove once and for all that my diagnosis will never be my destiny. My name is Chef Tom Dickinson, and it's time to watch me cook. Hey everyone, this is Chef Tom Dickinson. Thank you for watching this video, and if you'd like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, the link is down below. Don't forget to check it out. Check out some of the videos I've done. We cover a lot of different topics. Check out the evolution of how Watch Me Cook has evolved. Check out how it began, and when you go and check out the YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much, and I appreciate the support. Hope you guys all have a great day. Go be awesome.